Want to know what the secret sauce of selling your home for top dollar is? Well, the key word is marketing. In today's age of technology, you have to, now more than ever, be on the cutting edge of technology so that you can basically ensure that your property has as many eyeballs on it as possible. With over 98% of homes being viewed online first, it's critical for your home to be featured on every paid and non-paid real estate site so that it is the first home that buyers will see when they're searching online for real estate in your area. And just as important as having your home featured everywhere online, it also needs to have clear, beautiful, and bright photos. The information needs to be relevant to whoever's buying the house and what they're looking for, as well as accurate. Now, here are some important numbers. Because of the strategic marketing that we use, the average days on the market for any of our listings is less than 30 days, while it takes maybe like an average of more than 75 days for other agents to sell a home. Now, we have also been successful selling most of our listings at asking price, and in most cases even more than what the sellers were asking for. And that also has to do with whatever the current market is. But nonetheless, if our sellers agree to our price and marketing strategy, the average sales price to list price is 99.6 on all our listings. And oftentimes we might end up getting, like I said before, more money to our sellers than they were asking for. Again, when the price is right and the marketing is top notch, you can rest assured that I'll get your home sold for as much as possible in the shortest amount of time. Hope this information helps. Feel free to reach out with any questions, or if you would like a free and accurate value analysis of your home, don't forget to click on the link in the bottom and click on the tab that says, "What's my home worth?"